me show you step by step how I create this brown smoky eye. Let's go. Step 1, eyeshadow base. And if you are using concealer, make sure you are setting it. I'm taking my Soft Glam palette from EBH, and this is probably the most palette I use. And I'm grabbing this shade, burnt orange, and tap the excess and just packing this onto my crease. Next, I'm taking this orange soda just to blend everything. Next, rustic, and apply this all over my lid. I'm taking my black pencil and I will line my eyes and my waterline as well, and it hasn't to be perfect. And I'm going to smoke my lower lash line without adding any product. This is optional. I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmering and a little bit in my inner corner just to open up the eyes. And I will apply my mascara and my falsies. And this is the final look. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!